What's up, everyone? It's Saturday. Gonna do another break, and as I was thinking about, we've got NXT 2020, two autographs per box. Does only have the two fat packs, so this is gonna go quick. But what I like about this set is you got the chance to get some new autographs. And I'm thinking we're gonna have a bonus too. See how long this takes, but again, it probably won't take long. Oh, it's our first autograph to 50, Angel Garza. I don't have him. And just what I was talking about, getting a new autograph. So, cool stuff there. Not seeing anything numbered. Yet, don't think we're going to be having any live events right now. Second one's Bianca Belair. Already have her. Don't know if there's a numbered card in here. I'll probably miss it if there is. So I'll go back and look for that numbered card. Let's do a bonus because we're barely over 2 minutes here. What we've got is a ring-worn piece. I don't believe was in any of my other videos. It is from Eve Torres. You can see her wearing the piece right there. And there it is, and that is from January 2010. I believe the 25th on Raw, if you want to look that up. And she was in a tournament for the Divas title, and she faced Maurice. So there it is, and that's actually the newest, well, the second newest ring-worn thing I have. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.